So now it's time to plant the saplings at the site. The most important thing is to check the quality of the sapling, its roots and its leaves to check for deformities. In every 1000 square feet of plantation area, we have space for 300 saplings. Mark out the area with the chalk or lime powder. For the marking, we will need the following tools: biomix materials, digging tools like shovel, rope for marking borders, measure tape, flexi watering pipe covering the length of the plantation, natural soil micro enhancers as explained in the earlier video, buckets, tumblers, water, paper cutters, jute ropes. We will also need 4 to 5 feet bamboo stick for supporting saplings. For mulching materials, we will need dried grass, dried leaves or similar mulching materials, half a kilo per tree. Now follow these steps for best results. Step 1. Outline the area you want to plant with chalk powder. Step 2. Within the area of planting, draw out the plantation bed area and separate the service area. Step 3. Excavate the soil by about 3 to 4 feet. For larger areas, you can use a JCB. Keep the excavated soil on the side. Step 4. The excavated soil needs to be mixed with the organic materials as mentioned in the earlier video based on the soil conditions. Step 5. All the mixed soil is pushed back to fill the land, and we need to be careful not to compress this land in any way. In fact, avoid walking on it if it's possible. Step 6. The soil needs to be leveled by hand tools. Step 7. Mark the level soil with chalk powder for creating pits every 1.5 to 2 feet in triangular formation. Step 8. Dig pits of 12 inches wide and 12 inches deep. Step 9. You have to place the saplings based on the number of varieties you have and how your grid is created. If you have got 30 species of trees, then you will mark the grid based on 30 pits. Step 10. Each single variety or species will be planted in each of the 30 pits. Then you start placing 30 varieties in the next grid of 30 pits, and so on and so forth. Step 11. Before you remove the saplings from the bag, you will dip the sapling bag in a bucket filled with 20 part water, 1 part Gaumutra or Jivamrit or the coffee mix, till all the bubbles are settled. Then you remove the sapling from the bag and place the sapling back in the pit and loosely cover it with soil. Step 12. Support the sapling with bamboo stick and tie it loosely with the jute rope. Step 13. Cover every inch of the planted bed soil with mulching material. Step 14. Give water to the complete plant bed after planting to make sure the mulching and the soil settle. So that concludes the plantation part. In the next and final part, we will tell you about caring for the saplings you have just planted. See you in the next part.